Hey everybody, it's Neil, and this is a breathing lung respirator something or other. I'll show you guys what it is, and we'll give it a try and see what it does and how it works. So that's the garbage for it. So this is what it looks like here. It kind of looks like a sports device or something like that. But what it is a respiratory resistance exerciser. And so what it does is, as you breathe through it, it should make it a little bit difficult to breathe. So over time, it will increase your lung capacity. So let's see how this is. So this is supposed to help you out if you're doing sports and stuff. I probably should be cleaning it, but I'm going to try it anyway. So, and the way it works is you put it in, and then you can adjust the strength of how much resistance it's giving you, and if it's giving you, and so it makes it a little harder to breathe. So if you train yourself on this, then as you do sports and stuff, you should be more powerful. Well, it does. It makes it harder to breathe, that's for sure. So I guess that's the idea, is it makes it harder to breathe. So you're trying, your lungs are compressing and trying to breathe. And so the more it tries to breathe, if you train your thing with that, then when you take it out, man, whoo, you got all the breath in the world. So seems like a cool little device. And I'll be trying this a little bit over time here and see how it does. I guess I'll try to wear this when I watch some TV later today or something like that for 10 or 15 minutes. It says try it for, 10 or take it out of your mouth, repeat it for 10 to 15 times, and 2 to 4 sets a day. So just, do a little breathing with it and see if it works. So seems pretty cool. I like it. Thumbs up.